Area hospitals and others around Texas have requested staffing help from the state as they move through what is now this surge in the Delta variant, but those requests are being denied. Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes.
And I'm Steve Eager. It's 9 o'clock. The state is telling them to make their own plans using federal stimulus money to deal with the Delta variant surge. Fox 4 Stephen Dial has more tonight live. Stephen.
Steve, I'm told hospitals in our area have requested more than 500 additional staff members to help with the rising COVID patient levels that we have been seeing. It's been denied by the state. This at a time where more businesses are backtracking for their mask policies when it comes to their employees. More than 1,700 COVID patients are in North Texas hospitals, the most our region has seen since February. Tarrant County leads the region, and a majority of patients aren't vaccinated.
I don't understand why they can't just sit down and recognize the fact that the vaccines are working.
Because of the spread of the Delta variant, hospitals in North Texas sent a request to the state for additional staff, something that was done last year during the pandemic. The DFW Hospital Council says more than 500 additional staff were requested last week. Fox 4 confirmed the state denied the request. The Texas Department of Emergency Management suggesting counties use COVID relief money to help hospitals. A similar request and denial was made in San Antonio Hospital Region, according to a report by the San Antonio Express newspaper. Health officials describe this as a pandemic among the unvaccinated, but a small percentage of vaccinated adults are testing positive.
Unless there's a change in the behaviors of those who are not vaccinated and that they become vaccinated, I think that the numbers will continue to rise.
In Texas, an executive order by Governor Greg Abbott says no government can require masks in buildings or schools. Private businesses can make their own rules. A new mask order went into effect Monday, mandating all employees and visitors at Dallas County Courthouse properties wear face coverings. The mandate might appear to violate Governor Abbott's order, but Administrative District Judge Maricela Moore, who issued the order, says it's backed up by a Texas Supreme Court decision. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner Monday renewed a mask mandate for Houston city employees while on city property. It takes effect Wednesday and remains to be seen if the Attorney General will change it. Starting Tuesday, all Target employees will have to wear masks again. Target joining retailers like Walmart and Sam's Club with similar rules. Half of eligible Dallas and Tarrant County residents are not fully vaccinated, according to the Department of State Health Services. Denton County, it's 56% of fully vaccinated adults. And Collin County, 62% of residents who are fully vaccinated. Tarrant County Judge Glenn Whitley says he is frustrated.
You have trusted your physician, your family physician, from the very beginning. Why do you not trust them now? You know, you need to go to them. If they tell you to get the shot, don't second guess them.
Floyd Wormley is the associate provost for research at TCU. He echoed Whitley's statement about trusting your doctor.
But it can only mutate if it has a susceptible host to mutate in. So the more of us that become vaccinated, we can get this under control and we can drive the numbers down so that it won't mutate and we won't get to the Lambda virus.
And Wormley talking about a Lambda variant when he mentioned Lambda virus. And again, this is not just impacting adults or older people. Children are also being impacted by the Delta variant. Cook's Children's Hospital and others re-reporting children infections as well to us as early as today.